U-joint video. Yeah, we're gonna do that. But wait, listen, I've been working on something. I think for our videos, I think we need like a catchphrase at the beginning of them. You know, because I've seen some of these other guys have it.
Okay, like what?
Watch this, this is great. Ready? Okay, ready?
Okay.
Ready? Okay. Roll up your windows! What do you think?
What does that mean?
Roll up your windows.
Okay.
Okay, originally I wanted to do rev up your engines, but some other guy has that. So I figured, you know, something close to that. You know, rev up your engines, roll up your windows.
All right, let's do the U-joint video.
You don't like it?
It's good. No, it's great.
All
yeah,
right.
I love it.
All right, put it in there.
All right.
All right, roll up your windows.
Okay.
All right, come on, let's go do this video. I changed my first U-joint when I was 15 years old. It was on my buddy Danny Ciccarelli's 7340 4-speed Duster. We got stuck, right? So we walked over to the auto parts store, bought a U-joint, got back to the car, and the only tool I had was a 3/8 wrench and a rock, right? So what I did was, I took the one end of the 3/8 wrench and I rubbed it against the concrete until the end of it was sharp enough that I could knock the C-clips out. And then I beat the old U-joint out with a rock, beat the new one in with a rock, stuck it in the car, and away we went. It took us all day, right? Well, like 40-something years later, my methods haven't changed all that much. So here's a quick, easy way to do a U-joint with like no tools. All you need here is a socket, a hammer, and a screwdriver. All right? So, ready? First things first. Gotta knock these C-clips out, right? So let's get those out. That's one. Oops. That's two, okay? All right, so socket has to be just big enough to fit over the outside diameter of the cup, right? So you lay it down like that, okay? Now a couple of sharp whacks, and now comes the one bearing cup. Flip the joint over. And there's the other one. And there's your old U-joint. So now putting the new one in. Take the two, and take all four caps off. Okay. Then take your socket and flip it upside down. Put the cross shaft into the drive shaft. Let one end drop out. Take a bearing cup, stick it on there. Now, tap the drive shaft down onto the socket. So that cap is like flush. Take your second cap, stick it on there. And now those are on. Put your one C-clip in. Come on. My hands are greasy and it's hot and sweaty. Come on. Bingo. Now drive the cap till you get the second one in. Like so. And we're done. Not bad, huh? So that's it. A little more sophisticated than a rock. I see them are